Okay, so here's my bike, Eastern Growler 2012. I'm doing this on my porch because it's really windy. So yeah, starting at the top. We've got my bars. They're 8.5 rise and 28.5 across, and 1 degree up sweep and 12 degree back sweep. Going to my grips, we have ODI Super Softs. They're really good. I love them. Freaking amazing. Yeah. Just standard bar ends ODI that came with my grips. Go down a little bit more. Here we have the Primo Annihilator V2 stem with hollow bolts. It's like the lightest stem ever. It's amazing. Yeah. Going down, we have our headset. It's just a sealed bearing internal headset. Yeah. Forks. Eastern 4130 chromoly bearing. Machine bearing. Just really nice forks. They've got a little manufacturing scuffs. Front hub, it's an Eastern logo, just 3/8 chromoly axle, sealed bearing, you know, all that shiz. Tire, we have Eastern Fuquoy Flyer, 20 inches around, and then it's 2.30 across, which you may think is like really thick, and it is, but it's really good. I love it. I love thick tires, especially on this bike. It feels really good. On my rim, we've got where the hell is it? It's just a standard Eastern rim. Yeah, it's not anything, special. Yeah, I told you about tire. For the frame, we've got an Eastern 4130 chromoly frame, a 20.5 inch top tube, and just it's a really good frame. It's pretty light. It's got gyro tabs there, you can see them, and it's got a couple stickers, just the Eastern logo sticker up in the top tube, and then the Growler sticker down there. Up here we've just got a stock Eastern, integrated seat, integrated seat post, just a one-piece thing. It's not, not anything special. It's actually, I thought it was going to be like really big and like really bulky, but it's actually not as bad as I thought. So if you think that it's a downside, it's really not. It's comfortable as shit when you sit on it. Down, we're going to go to our drivetrain now. We've got a Primo Annihilator V2 chain wheel again. I think Primo makes really good things. This chain wheel is one of them. It's really good. I love it. What am I saying? The cranks are 3-piece Eastern stock cranks. They're really good. I'm going to try to get profiles in the future. Not now, because these are good, but I'm just saying that profiles are really good. Down here, we've got Odyssey Twisted PCs. Couldn't go without them. They're the best pedals ever. I need to switch these little plugs out with black ones. But yeah. Chain, just a KMC. Good save, Alec. Yeah, thank you. Just a what was I on? The chain KMC. You can hear my dog barking. I'm sorry. Just a KMC Z510H or something. Yeah, something like that. And then back on our back hub this time, we have we have a KT Quando. I'm reading it off of paper, by the way, because I didn't know all the specifications and shit. It's 9-tooth. Over there, in there. 9-tooth. See what else I need now. 14mm chromoly axle, 5 sealed bearings, and it comes with a pop and lock hub guard over there. And it's specified for that hub guard, I'm pretty sure. That's what it says. You know, back rim again, just nothing too fantastic. I mean, yeah, it's a rim. Same 2.3 across. Did I miss anything? I took the brake system off because I ride that way. Overall, I subtracted all the weight from my new parts, and it's not too much below stock. It's about 23.8 or 7. Yeah. So I love my bike. I love this bike. I've had it for about a week, and it's honestly amazing. And I bought this because I was gonna buy this Christmas, but my mom wanted me to ride just a shitty Walmart bike for a while, just to, you know, make sure that I was gonna ride and whatnot. And I do, so I paid for a little bit of this. Not much, but, you know, enough. So yeah, that's my bike, and it's amazing. Not any, but if I had to make a complaint about this, I couldn't really make a total 100%. I don't like this, but if I could name something that wasn't my favorite, is it's a little more back heavy than I'd like it. I mean, I know bikes need to be back heavy, but I mean, it's kind of back heavy, and that's not that big of a complaint. And the other thing that I'm not too fond of is, well, let me let you hear this hub here. Oh, don't want to do that. If I can go. What the heck? Let's just do this. It is so soft. That's what my point across was trying to get. My point was trying to get across. Yeah. But anyway, really good bike. I love it. You know, it's light, it's good, and it's feels great. That's what she said. Yeah, so I guess that's my bike check. Give you a full view here. Again. Yep, and there she is.